Hello everyone. I am out here in the garden. Feels like I hadn't done a garden update in a minute, and I actually need to come out here and do some cleanup in the garden. Most of you may know that I am a recent PMP I passed my certification. Woohoo! It was a long road. Man, I'm super excited. But now I'm studying to get an additional agile portion of the project manager. And during this time, I'm secluded a lot. I do a lot of studying. And when the studying happens, that means that something is being neglected. So I cook up all meals on Sundays, and so my husband will have something to eat. He can pull out whatever it is he likes to eat, and I only come to the garden on the weekends. So let's take a look and see what's going on with this garden. I find this very interesting. The squash in the pot is not doing as well as the squash that I transplanted over here. As you see, we got a bloom, and we are soon to have some squash coming out. Over here as well. Here is the kale plant. You can see my neighbor has been out here getting her some kale. This is broccoli. Hasn't put out anything yet. Here are my sunflowers. They are just like leaning down there saying, no, wrong. I gotta get in here and thin out my tomatoes because you need to keep airflow going. Excuse me, Mr. Bees. I know you're over here doing your thing. Look at here. I gotta pick this up and put it back together. I'll do that offline when I'm not here with you guys. Look at that bok choy that I planted in the ground instead of in the pot. That looks awesome. We came out and got all of the bell peppers off, and there are so many more that are growing. Garlic is still looking good. And the gift that keeps on giving is this okra, all this okra. Oh man, I got okra for days. That's gonna make some great soups. And what we all been waiting for is the watermelon. Oh, jeez. Look how big this watermelon has gotten. Goodness gracious. What's the tendril looking like? Tendril is completely brown and dry. I'm so shell-shocked, y'all. I don't know whether I should pull it or not, because I didn't tell y'all I pulled another watermelon, and that doggone thing was not ready. It was all white on the inside with just a little bit of red. Here's my other watermelon. Let's look at the tendril on that one. Oh, that one's brown too. I don't know, y'all. That one's still looking like a baby right there, so. Wow, I just found another one right up in there. Look at that, right beside it. Tendril on this one is brown. Okay, so I think I'm gonna pull a watermelon. Let me go get something to cut it with, and we'll see what's going on. Oh, let me show you my radish before I go in there and do that. I love these white radishes. They are the best. Y'all know I'm choosing joy.
Oh my! What is that?